How to make easy hypnotic techno. First, let's set the tempo somewhere like 140 BPM and start with a short soft kick from a sample pack. After 8 bars, let's add some offbeat open hi-hats. And some shakers. Let's add the shakers 4 bars earlier and create a volume automation to introduce them. After another 8 bars, at the halfway point of the drop, let's add some claps. Some closed hi-hats. And a simple crash. Now let's add some clap fills. And to make them more hypnotic, we can add some reverb and some delay. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample by Infinity Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion, loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in description. To add some ambience texture to the track, let's add some Foley samples. I'll use this glass clicking sample. Now moving on to the bass, let's create that classic rumble bass by linking the kick to a parallel channel and adding some reverb with a high cut around 150 Hz. And let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. And now we need another sync bass using my Serum preset pack. I'll sidechain this and dip around where the rumble hits. Now we need some long and simple atmospheric pads. Searching this and dip the highs. Now we need some different types of synths to fill out the drop. Then we need a hypnotic arp-like melody. Sidechain this using shaper box to add some really slight sidechain. I'll take off some of the lows. And use this preset on an echo board because it adds a really nice hypnotic vibe to the track. After the first 8 bars of the drop, I'll add a plug fill. Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a simple lead that supports the main melody. As I change this, use LFO tool to add this panning preset. And add some stereo widening to widen the sound. Guys, if you want these Serum presets, check out the link in the description. The Serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the builder. Let's start with our ambience elements. And after 8 bars, let's add the pads, the kick, and the synth. And the melody after another 8 bars. Now let's use this crash to transition into the builder. At the build-up, let's get rid of the kick and add the bass, some rises. Another thing that we can do at the intro is to use volume automations to introduce the pads and the melody. Now let's duplicate this and change things around in the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.